Hey fam, I am staying in Chicago for a quick weekend and I am staying at the Intercontinental Hotel at the famous Magnificent Mile. I'm staying in a two full-size bed, a standard room in the Grand Towers. Let's go check it out. I did get here last night, so it is going to have a lived-in look. Starting at the front door, right away to the right of the door, you'll find this area here with your Keurig, some waters. If you want to get some tea, here is your ice bucket here. So these items are for sale, and so it is not free. So if you pick it out of those areas, the Pringles, the Fiji, there will be a price. Underneath here is a drawer, and here is more items. If you pick it out of here, there's a lot of items, but if you pick it out of here, there will be a price for it. And over here, if you want some items for yourself to put and keeps things cold, you can do it over here. Next, going into the bathroom. So nice size bathroom, big size counter, but only one sink. And so good enough for two people. Nice size mirror. And you'll find your towels underneath here. And in here, you will find your bath shower combination. And so for those individuals who love to take baths, this may be the room for you. And here it is. I love the decor in this room. And they have their own set of shower gels that they use for this room, also on the counter for your hand wash and your body lotion as well. Coming out of the room, you'll find this mirror here. So if somebody is in the bathroom, you could just come here and get ready as you so desire without having to go into the bathroom. And this is the main bedroom area. You see the two beds here, two full-size beds. Here is like a little counter space that you could put some items on. Another mirror here. Here is your television. In between the two beds is just a little storage area. And on the clock, there are different ports so that you can charge your items, your phones, as we are doing here with our phones and our tablets. And this is a closet. And in this closet, you will find your iron. Underneath it, you will find your safe, and then further storage above as well. So it's not a huge room. Here is another lamp over here. Just a once over of the room for you to see how it looks. And just a little seat here as well. So this is really the only seat in the room. So fam, what do you think about the room? I think the room has a nice size space for two individuals, so we don't have to be on top of each other. Also, I feel though that it needs more drawers. I have dirty clothes, for example, and I want somewhere to put it before I repack to go. I don't have enough drawer space in here, and I wish they had a comfortable seat with a back. So if you don't feel like sitting on your bed or lying on your bed, there was another option, or there would be another option for you in this room. But for the space, for the weekend trip that this is, I think it is a good space for myself and my friend that I'm staying in this room with. So can you do me a favor, family? Can you like, comment, and subscribe? Click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. It will greatly help my channel. And for those returning subscribers, thank you for supporting the way that you always do. This is Paul from Travels with PMB. Until next time, happy travels.